If you've ever pondered how to increase your income and earn more money, you're in the right spot. In today's video, I will be telling the 14 effective and practical ways to boost your earnings and improve your financial condition. So, whether you're searching to make some extra dollars on the side or take your income to new peaks, this 8-minute video is filled with valuable tips and strategies to assist you achieve your financial goals. And don't miss the 14th tip, as it is the most important one. So now let's dive into today's video. 1. Ask for a raise from your boss. If you are giving your best and working hard for the upliftment of your company, but still receiving a very low amount of money at the end of each month, then you must ask for a raise from your boss. I know that it seems very scary to talk about a raise from the boss, but keep in mind that the boss won't fire you for just asking for a raise. So go and discuss with your boss about a pay rise. 2. Take online surveys. Online survey taking is an excellent method to earn money quickly and easily if you have a computer or a cell phone and some free time. You merely need to sign up for accounts on websites like ipoll.com using your email address and fill a brief form, filled with questions asking your name, your profession, etc. Basically, the company provides you the surveys based on your jobs and other interests, so they ask these questions first. With each survey you complete, you may make anywhere from $1 to over $10. If you want more earning tips, then do subscribe our channel and also press the like button. 3. Generate income by selling products on eBay or Etsy. This isn't as hazy as it initially appears to be. Every day, individuals post and sell their new or used products on eBay for almost instant cash, and you can do the same. eBay is a fantastic method to make quick money, from gently worn scrubs to puzzles and everything in between. It's possible that you won't sell the single cornflake in the form of Illinois that went for $1,350 a few years ago, but there's a high possibility that you may make some fast money with items you already have around the house. 4. Start investing. Keeping money in the bank won't help you to grow your cash. It might provide some interest, but it is always less than the inflation. That means your money is eaten up by inflation if you just keep it in the bank. So to prevent this, you must invest your money. Investing must be done in a diversified manner. Investing might seem to be risky, but it is actually not, only if you strategically choose proper assets to invest. We have already made many videos related to investment options. You can click on the I button and watch them out. 5. Childcare or house sitting. For individuals with prior childcare expertise, babysitting is the ideal solution. You may earn money quickly by babysitting for a few hours or a whole weekend. You can try to make money by minding pets or residences while owners are away if you don't have much expertise with kids. Start by submitting an online resume and advertising your abilities on sites like care.com and trusted house sitters. 6. Temporary positions. There are temporary recruiting firms in almost every town around the country that are constantly looking for workers to accept part-time or temporary employment opportunities. Without wasting weeks or even days looking for work, this is a fantastic method to quickly make legitimate money. Have you started any of these works? Do let me know in the comments. 7. Examine social media job boards. Making relationships with others is only one aspect of social media. Furthermore, it could be a terrific strategy to be hired quickly. For tasks like yard maintenance and childcare, check out Facebook groups for your city's job openings. You might be able to land one of these positions quite quickly. This is an excellent technique to make quick money if you're smart and ask for references so you can check out the applicant. 8. Create anything and sell it in the market. Almost everyone have a skill for creating a product that can be sold for money. You may have an uninterrupted supply of homemade goods to sell on websites like eBay, Craigslist, or at a community sale with just a little effort, from creating basic soap to building furniture. 9. Perform tasks. You may carry out your work virtually on a number of websites. Websites like Fiverr and TaskRabbit are searching for workers to help with writing blog posts, editing, and translating various documents. You may also go to Amazon Mechanical Turk to complete easy jobs like composing product descriptions, transcribing audio, and recognizing items in pictures. 10. Become a virtual helper. As a virtual assistant, your tasks may include sorting through emails, inputting data, and making phone calls, among other administrative tasks. Work with one person or several people, your choice. Even better, you may choose your own price. 11. Giving reviews of technology. Just for writing reviews of their goods or applications, several businesses will pay customers. The thoughts of regular people are valued by these businesses, and they are constantly seeking ways to do better. Websites like ucertisting.com can help you find things to evaluate. You can evaluate from the comfort of your own home, which is its finest feature. 12. Tutoring online. Online teaching is not only a great method to earn some extra cash, but it is also quite flexible. You may select your own working hours and a wide range of topic areas to assist students of all ages. If you are interested, you may check out sites like tutor.com. 13. Offer your items for rent. Renting out what you have to those who will pay for it is a fantastic method to make quick money, whether it's prom gowns or camping gear. Spread the word by using both free and paid websites, such as Loanables and Craigslist. 14. Rent out your space. This is an often overlooked, smart way you can earn legitimate money. From renting out a room to renting out storage space in your garage or even a parking space, this is a fabulous way to put cash in your pocket. That's all for this video. If you enjoyed watching the video and also learned something new, then do press the subscribe button and also the like button. Do let me know in the comments that which of these works you will consider taking up. And also tell us if we have said something wrong. Share this video to all of you workmates and office members for them to learn. Thank you for watching the video.